Humankind has become misaligned with nature. This occurred in three phases, what I call the sad theory. The first, separation, began as an evolutionary advantage, our ability to pause, analyze, plan, and reflect. It opens space for individuality, which either harmonizes or clashes with nature. It extends time for response over reflex, yet unchecked, our minds wander aimlessly. Through language we label ourselves, not by experience, but by abstraction. Our left brain and the default mode network tell us stories, often distorting reality with confidence, but not accuracy. Next, alienation. The agricultural, industrial, and technological revolutions led to an abuse of nature and further disconnection. Lastly, discord, in which our belief systems evolved to reject nature. As an example, the division of mind and body, condemning the body as the source of impurity while exalting the mind is not only false, but a recipe for unending conflict.